Hi, what's up everyone? Did you know that a reliable e-bike can actually save college students hundreds of dollars every semester on gas and ride shares, all while giving you freedom to explore campus and the city at your own pace? Today, we're diving into the top e-bikes under $900 that are perfect for college students looking for a mix of affordability, performance, and portability. All the links are in the description, so make sure to check them out. Let's get rolling. On number 6, the electric bike with 500 watts to 1000 watts peak motor, 14 inches to 26 inches tires, and ranges between 30 to 60 miles, is an incredibly versatile option for first-time e-bike buyers who want a fully customizable ride. Its standout feature is the UL2849 certification, giving you peace of mind that your battery and electrical system meet strict safety standards, a feature many budget competitors lack. In real-world use, the 750-watt/26-inch setup hits a comfortable 20 miles per hour top speed, while the shock absorber smooths out city streets, making commuting predictable and stress-free. The 3-speed, 5-speed, or 7-speed mechanical gearing makes pedaling effortless, even on uphill stretches. Compared to more powerful 1,000-watt bikes, this model may be slightly slower, but it offers an exceptional value-to-performance ratio, especially for safety-conscious students who prioritize reliability over raw speed. Its wide range of options, from a compact 14-inch version perfect for dorm storage to a 26-inch long-range cruiser, means you can pick a setup that suits your lifestyle. Downsides include the modest speed limit and basic suspension, which may feel limited on rough terrain, and the extensive specifications can be confusing when choosing. Overall, this is a highly flexible, safe, and practical e-bike for city commuting or college life. What do you think about this one? Let me know in the comments. On number 5, the URLIFE 14-inch folding electric bike stands out as the ultimate compact commuter, perfect for students living in dorms or apartments with limited storage. Its 500-watt peak motor, paired with a removable 48-volt 375-watt-hour battery, gives a 40-mile range at a controlled 20 miles per hour top speed, making it ideal for city commuting. What really elevates this bike is its UL certification, ensuring the battery and electrical system meet high safety standards, a must-have for anyone worried about budget mini bikes cutting corners. The folding frame makes it incredibly portable, easily fitting under desks, in car trunks, or on public transport, while its lightweight design ensures you can carry it when needed. Compared to larger e-bikes like the generic platform at number 6, the URLIFE sacrifices suspension and off-road capability for portability, but it truly shines for students navigating tight urban spaces or multimodal commutes. Downsides include a smaller wheelbase, slightly rough ride on uneven surfaces, and limited power for heavier riders. Still, for those prioritizing safety, storage, convenience, and reliable city performance, this bike delivers impressive value. Compared to number 6, it's far more portable, but trades off speed and comfort. Would you choose portability over power? Drop your thoughts below. On number 4, the folding electric bike for adults with a 500-watt motor, 23 miles per hour top speed, and 14-inch wheels takes compact e-bikes to the next level by offering higher performance without compromising foldability. With a 48-volt, 12-ampere-hour removable battery, it promises up to 38 miles PAS range, while dual disc brakes and shock absorbers ensure safety and ride comfort on city streets. This bike is UL2849 certified, so students can trust its electrical system. Unlike the URLIFE at number 5, it accelerates faster and climbs steeper inclines more confidently, making it ideal for slightly hilly campuses. Its higher speed, though slightly above the typical 20 miles per hour Class 2 limit, makes it a thrill to ride for experienced students. Downsides include increased weight due to the larger battery and suspension, and the small 14-inch wheels still limit rollover capability compared to 26-inch full-size bikes. When compared to number 6, this mini e-bike trades tire size and customization options for superior performance and compact urban usability, creating a solid balance for those who want power, safety, and portability. It's perfect for urban commuters or students who enjoy weekend adventures. Do you think the extra speed is worth the heavier foldable setup? Let me know. On number 3, the Jasion EB5 electric bike steps into the full-size category with 26-inch wheels, a 750-watt peak motor, 360 watt-hours removable battery, and 7-speed drivetrain, targeting students or commuters who prefer stability, comfort, and versatility. Unlike smaller folding bikes, this model excels on rougher surfaces and light trails thanks to its front fork suspension, while the 26-inch tires make rolling over cracks and potholes much easier. Performance is solid at the 20 miles per hour Class 2 speed, and the 40-mile range covers typical campus commutes with ease. Compared to folding mini bikes, numbers 4 and 5, the EB5 sacrifices portability for stability, higher power, and comfort. The smaller battery relative to some heavy-duty folding bikes slightly limits range, and the lack of UL certification may concern safety-focused riders. Yet, for students who prioritize a traditional mountain bike feel, enhanced rollover capability, and mechanical versatility with the 7-speed drivetrain, the Jasion EB5 delivers excellent value. Would you pick a stable, full-sized e-bike over a foldable, compact one? Let's hear your thoughts in the comments. On number 2, the 14-inch folding electric bike with advanced 9-point suspension and 44.99% pro-level brake ratio focuses squarely on ride comfort and urban safety. Its 500-watt motor, 28-mile range, and 20 miles per hour top speed make it ideal for students navigating stop-and-go traffic, while the multi-point suspension absorbs bumps and harsh road surfaces small-wheeled bikes usually struggle with. UL 2849 certification guarantees the battery and electrical components meet strict safety standards, a major plus over budget mini bikes. Compared to the Jasion EB5 at number 3, it trades wheel size and off-road capability for extreme portability, superior suspension, and safety. The folding design is perfect for dorm rooms, RVs, or public transport, while the braking system ensures peace of mind on busy streets. Downsides include a slightly limited 28-mile range and the inherent small wheel constraints. But for urban-focused students who prioritize comfort, agility, and safety, this bike is a top choice. Do you value comfort over distance? Let us know below. On number 1, the foldable e-bike F4 Black combines high-end performance with compact convenience, featuring a 500-watt motor, 23 miles per hour top speed, 576 watt-hours battery, and 35-mile range, all while maintaining UL certification for safety. Dual-disc brakes ensure reliable stopping, and its foldable, 14-inch design keeps it easy to store in dorm rooms or under desks. Compared to number 2, it sacrifices multi-point suspension but gains longer range, faster top speed, and higher battery capacity, making it ideal for students who want maximum distance and speed without sacrificing safety. While the small wheels limit off-road capability and comfort, the F4 Black excels for urban commutes, offering a certified, compact, and reliable ride. Would you go for maximum speed and range or ultimate suspension comfort? Comment below. So guys, that's the full roundup of the best e-bikes under $900 for college students. All the links are in the description, so check them out to find the perfect ride for your campus adventures. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting us know which bike caught your eye or which one you'd choose for your college commute. Thanks for watching.